Welcome to the Stronger Trades demo. We publish free trade signals for index futures. To use our free service, visit strongertrades.com. On our homepage, we list recent trades from our last week of trading to give you an idea of the results our trade signals can produce. These trades are performed using only one contract and at the prices shown. To familiarize yourself with our free service, navigate to one of our trade signal pages. There, you will find an entry signal, which will be either a long, cyan, or a short, magenta, colored box. The price shown is always changing, therefore, you must click the box to refresh the price. The box will contain an entry price with a price gap and the age of the signal. Your next step will be to confirm this information on your trading platform. Once you are familiar, you'll want to sign up for a free basic trader account to get the exit signals as well. The exit signals provide the best opportunity for making a profit. For our premium trader accounts, we've added a few features to make the trading experience more rewarding, such as an automatic feeder that refreshes the signal by itself, and trend bars that allow you to see how the trade is performing. With these trend bars, you can even go back in time to see where the price may have jumped in your favor. These also help many traders develop a rhythm to their trading, and aid in deciding when to take profits. Now, let's demonstrate a trade on the TradeStation platform. The entry signal says, there is a long, at 34,704, on MYM. Which is exactly where we placed our order. You have a signal. This is our first peak exit signal at 34,705. I am going to wait for another exit signal. You have a signal. Let's take the third peak exit signal at 34,728. So, if you are ready to get started, just visit strongertrades.com.